Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back friends. This is a 43-inch MI Smart Android LED TV. In this TV the complaint is backlight okay, no display issue, no picture fault. See, while tapping on the screen here you can see the backlight flashing on the display. This means that backlight is okay. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to the internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. This is the model number of the TV. Now let's start the repair. See friends, now we opened the TV back cover. Here you can see this is the motherboard and this is panel Tecan board. It's a 43-inch Full HD CSOT panel is used in this TV. Before starting the repair process, let's check the basic panel voltages using the multimeter. See, while checking the voltages we found that the initial 12-volt panel input VCC is okay. But while measuring the VGH volt showing 12 itself instead of 25 to 30 volts. But VGL voltage is present. See, these mainly because of any type of panel shorting, mainly in Gatesignals inside glass panel. The shorting may be either from left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides are short, then it's difficult to repair. This type's panel repairing process are mostly a temporary fixing method. The permanent solution is always panel replacement. Anyway, we can fix it using this temporary method by blocking Gatesignals entering to the panel in the shorted side. If both sides are complaint, then this method not applicable. Now let's start the repair process. Here you can see two FFC cables going to panel from both left side and right side. So let's one by one disconnect these FFC cable one by to confirm shorting in which side. Here first we are planning to disconnect the right side FFC cable. See, after disconnecting it, now the TV is turned on. While checking that now picture comes on half portion of the display. This means that the problem is with the right side of the panel. So in this situation we need to block the Gatesignals entering to the panel right side through Tecan board. So here we are implementing the taping method for blocking the Gatesignals. Here the last 20 lines are the Gatesignal tracks. Now let's start repair. See, using the tape we now mask the signals. See, now work is done. Let's reconnect the FFC cable back to Tcon. See friends, now let's power on the TV. See, finally TV is turned on, and here you can see the results after short removal. Now picture comes and the TV back to normal. See, this is a temporary fixing method. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. However, we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. Some cases it will work for 3 or more years. Anyway, now work is done and the TV is repaired successfully. Here you can notice final work. Display is crystal clear. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.